Yo, welcome back to another banging episode. It's your boy next time over here. I'm tired of saying it's your boy next time. Yo, it's next time I'm Bog and up in this. So today I have guys, what are we going so far? Today it's another Friday, dog. It's a Friday, and you know I have someone big. Yeah, it's huge. You look at the camera; it's filling up most of the camera. so I have Sense the DJ with me today on this Friday. Nah? So my boy, what's happening?
How's it?
Are you fine?
I'm great.
Good, ne? Okay, so don't be shy, my nigga. So you have to smile back to this girl who like you all the time. Today you don't have your handbag. You don't have your handbag. So today, like on each and every Friday, like each and every show of ours, then we try to get to know you guys, get to know our favorite DJs around, our resident DJs in clubs here, ne? So today it's your chance, my nigga. We wanna know more about Sense the DJ. Where is Sense from, my nigga? Where did Sense go to school? How did Sense start music? How did Sense start having girlfriends and all that, dog? You understand?
Yeah.
So let's start with where you from, my nigga, and your real name. Oh, my name is this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sense the DJ is okay. My real name is Sandile Ike Masina from Mpumalanga.
You an Ike?
Ike, I-K-E, as in I-K-E.
Ike what in the ten? Okay, let's go on. You're
Yeah,
from Mpumalanga,
so I'm from Mpumalanga in Sabc.
And what in Sabc?
Sabc. Yeah.
Sabc. Okay, cool.
Yeah, Sabc, but I actually stay in Sabc and Bushbuckridge.
Oh, so are you Zulu, Swati?
I'm
Tonga?
Swati.
You Swati, ne?
Yeah.
Halala.
Swati.
So you believe nothing of getting many wives and stuff like that? Is
Nah,
that
we
like
actually that diluted part of Swatis, because real Swatis are actually in Swaziland.
Swaziland, ne?
Yeah. Then whenever the places, whenever you like distance yourself from Swaziland, then the Swati starts being diluted.
Nah, I understand.
Yeah.
So you being there in Sabi, ne? What were your hobbies there, my nigga? What were you doing for fun, like before this whole music stuff? Maybe you were playing soccer, maybe when you were playing cricket. All that. What were you doing like, at the time? Were you dancing? What?
Before I used to be a rapper. I used to be a singer. Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Do you know also Black Zero as a rapper?
No, I don't. But I used to sing. I used to be actually a vocalist.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Then I used to. Then I think I outgrew that stage.
What do you mean? People are eating by vocals these days. Should have been back on
Nah,
studio.
yeah, but I'm also still singing and vocaling, but I don't rap anymore.
Okay, and from there, what happened then? What grade did you start doing that? What grade did you start doing like music? Like when you started breaking up and doing your vocals?
I started doing it, I think, in grade 7. Yes, grade 7.
That was early, hey?
Yeah, then 8. No, actually, before I used to DJ, but not DJing as in
Computer wise or
yeah,
visual
just,
DJ?
Oh no, visual DJ thingy. Yeah, I started that in 2010.
Yeah.
Yeah, I started then in 2010.
And that's when you realized that music is in your blood now after doing the
then
DJing and stuff.
DJing, I felt to say DJing at home is not actually a thing that you can make money off from. So I decided, because okay, let me just get in rap, the performance school. You understand? Get the ladies. You understand? Because hey, ladies, you have to like have a hobby for you to actually.
Yeah, must have an extra curriculum.
Yeah,
for you.
extracurricular activity for you to like actually bring them close to you. So yeah.
Man, this is fascinating. Like, why is this visual DJ? I haven't met anyone that said, nah, me I started with the CDJs themselves. I never started with with visual DJs. And how was the experience, or what's different from the two, the CDJs and you doing what?
Oh, okay. Actually, virtual DJ and CDJ is actually the same thing, but as said, the other one is virtual, which means that everything there is not physical. You're not able to touch everything by your hands. So the computer does some of the things, which is like syncing the music for you, which is less easier, but it's a very good way of a person to start out DJ.
So like for like seeing all the technology and stuff now, isn't there any equipment now, like when DJs about you just sync anything for you, just like, press play, just sync.
There is like
there is,
yeah, the CDJ's 2000 Nexus. I think it's going there to like
to build technology.
Yeah, to the technology is like really getting there to
And again, let's go back to you, individual DJ. Yeah. What type of music were you playing that time? What type of music was?
Oh, I used to play.
What?
The couple thing.
That was too hard for a kid like you, 2010.
Yeah, I used to play like, what's this? Actually, my uncle is the one that taught me how to play this.
Yeah.
How to actually use virtual DJ, because he was in varsity at that time, so he used to come back when he used to visit. Then he used to come back and like show me how to do the things, yeah. And he's like, because every time it's either I was playing Need for Speed on the laptop or
you are on the virtual DJ.
DJing. So he once showed me, because you know what, you're not doing it right. Do it like this. Then I started with tribal music because it was a little bit simple. You understand? At that time there were no piano. It was like tribal music. Then I got the hang of it, and yeah.
So you never escaped to hip hop at any chance?
Playing hip hop?
Yeah, man.
I did. I was like that. What do they call them now? Screws. I was those screws, man, and I used to like have a different kind of attire. They understand? Yeah. Listen to Lil Wayne. Yeah, Drake. But my favorite was actually Lil Wayne.
Lil Wayne.
Yeah.
So tell me now, what made you come to this side of? You see now you in Venda, University of Venda. I'm sure you by University of Venda. Yeah. What made you apply to Univen, or what made you say, "I now, hey, from Mpumalanga, let me just go to Venda. I mean music. Why don't you just go to Gauteng, maybe Cape Town, maybe somewhere else that's gonna be what? It's gonna be a much better cash for me to do what to do my music there. What made you come to Limpopo?
Okay, actually, in terms of coming to Venda, it wasn't necessarily about the music or getting to put to be musically like up there. It was actually about academics.
No?
Actually, family background, because I was taken at vets, but unfortunately, as a first year, you know that NSFAS usually like funds you either later. Then, but vets needs their registration money like
same time
and things like that. So, parents couldn't like pay like 10k same time. So, I had to just look for other universities nearby. Then I just decided, you know what? Let me just come to Venda. Let me just try it out.
Now you're here, and then what happens when you go to Venda? First year, my boy. You in music and no visual DJ. Did you do CDJs before you come to Venda, or you got them decide?
I did CDJs here.
Oh, okay. Venda gave you a lot.
I did CDJs here. Okay, I started CDJs at Mawera's place.
DJ Mawel?
Yeah, DJ Mawel.
Mawel, the one that makes the pool partition every year.
Yeah.
My nigga, shout out to him.
Then I was doing shit. I was doing shit. Things were like upside down. I was trying to get hold. What should I do with these things? How should I like actually get to get hang of those CDJs things?
Yeah.
So, after that I went to Migeroni.
So
I got the hang of it. Then, first gig was at Univen. First gig was at Univen.
Inside the campus. So you help you the CDJs, and then cut, like, you in campus now.
First day. First gig. I played shit.
Of course.
I didn't even play two tracks, man. I was like, what's going on? And they kicked me off the stage. The embarrassment there. I was like,
King of the horses.
Yeah, king of the horses. It was like, I was like, okay, it's cool. Then, but I didn't get my hopes down. And it really, if it was someone else, I would think that they would quit. They would have quit everything and started another thing. You understand? But I decided, because you know what?
Let me keep on.
Let me just keep on. You understand?
That's year number one in Venda now, ne?
Yeah.
That's you met Mawel in year number one in Venda. Or was it the second year? When did you meet him?
Who? Mawela?
Yeah.
It was second year. Second year. I
And
started everything. No, it was first year. Yeah,
First year,
first
ne?
year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, who other cats like helped you through when you came this side? Who other guys helped you through? Which DJs helped you when you came this side? More of them,
DJs. Oh, there's this other guy. He's no longer around. He used to play hip hop at Migeroni. He's from Mpumalanga to Kwandebele. His Bongs, DJ Bongs.
DJ Bongs, I don't
Yeah.
remember him, bro.
Yeah, he's light in complexion. He used to play. He was on campus, but he left like 3 years ago.
I'm sure I'm gonna get him there on the socials.
Yeah.
So, we are now in Venda, you on CGDS now. Were you still playing the whole Da Capo thing, or were you going to the whole commission at J-Pop? What were you playing, my boy?
Okay, then I came to Gom. Yeah.
Oh, it was I mean, this was.
Yeah, I came to Gom. Gom and the what's this?
What's this?
Was it Afro Tech?
Afro Tech, yeah?
Yeah, this Afro Tech things. Then yeah, I used to play commercial, but that's not the kind of music that I play. But I just play it for people. You understand? I used to play I play commercial. Whatever people like and what people are gonna dance to. Yeah, that's what I usually play. Yeah.
So did you end up like, when did you land your first residency? Like where was the first residency?
My first residency was at News Cafe.
News Cafe?
Yeah.
That was nice.
At News Cafe in 2019. But had kind of complications. Had complications which I won't mention. Yeah.
Hey, News Cafe was on fire. That
Okay,
year.
okay.
They were firing. I don't know fuck they were firing.
No,
they were
I can say.
They were firing that year. News Cafe was not fucking around, it was firing that year. Because everybody kept on being inside, they out. I think they reshuffled the whole Venda day that year.
No, I can say the
telling
reason.
you.
The reason
Allegedly.
is that okay. The reason is that year News Cafe was making money, and it was like out of all the news cafes in South Africa, it was actually the one that was making more money
At that point, because it was still
at that
new.
point.
Yeah.
And it was still new in Venda. So okay, I went there and I was playing nice music. People were enjoying, like then. But the problem started when I started seeing it's okay. Another person is spending like you're playing for a person that's spending like 100 or 150 to 200k.
Yeah.
I understand. Then at the end of the month they give you like 1,000 rand.
And that's pop, ne?
It's like a little.
And you get the waiter is getting more than.
The waiter is getting more than you are getting. You understand? So, okay, I tried to talk to the owners and things like that. Yeah. So, but it took me to long places. They ended up not paying me. Then I took them to court, things like that. But it's another thing for another day.
Drama. So after leaving News Cafe, where did you go to? I'm sure you went somewhere else.
Then after News Cafe, I went to Casa Flavor.
Oh, it's Basa, Marktown, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I went to Casa Flavor. And then Casa Flavor, it was a place whereby they used to play only deep house.
Deep house, yeah.
Then there was a new owner, the brother of the previous
owner. Yeah.
owner. So he said that hey, this thing of deep house only won't do. So he said that let's try to put some piano and
On that thing, yeah.
Yeah, on that thing. The first summer pianos, not first.
The deep ones. Oh,
yeah,
deep. Jazzy disciples.
Q,
Yeah,
Jazzy disciples before they separated. The Gabza, I think was the second album.
Yeah, them Sholos one.
Yeah, the Sholos one. Then play that it worked out properly, but lockdown came. Lockdown came.
And lockdown fucked up a lot of things.
Lockdown came. Then the guy, I think he couldn't like come back again. Then okay, there was no music for the lockdown time.
So what are you doing via lockdown?
I was hustling.
My nigga, no?
Hustling.
Were you back at home or you at the side?
I was at home.
Okay, I understand.
But
so,
I came back this side, yeah.
You came back this side, ne?
Yeah.
So, like, do you have a manager, you yourself? Or you do your things yourself there?
Okay, this thing of managing, I don't think it works. I think
It doesn't work, no?
Yeah, I think it's better I manage. But I might have agents. I think there's a difference. People cannot differentiate between an agent and
the manager.
an actual manager.
Oh, yeah.
So a manager is actually a person that will like manage you and tell you, see, this and that. Take care of everything. Then an agent would like get gigs for you, then get a share
From
on the
those
money.
gigs,
I
yeah.
understand. So you can have as many agents as you can, as long as they're getting you gigs in different places.
And they're doing their job right.
And they're doing their job and they're getting their share, then I think it's better.
Okay, and you doing your own music production, are you gonna start making music yourself now since you have a background of music? Are you gonna start making your own music?
I've already started Yeah.
Tell us
I'm
more.
working with Megamind Nova. Yeah.
Who's Megamind now?
Megamind is it's a producer. He worked with like people like there's this scheme some guy.
Oh yeah.
Kwaito.
Oh
Call him
yeah.
Kwaito.
I
don't
know.
his
I know.
real name.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he made a track for him. He works with a lot of people that are like so he's
So you're gonna be working with him on the next EP or mixtape or album?
I'm gonna be working with him on
Is it an EP?
Pardon?
Are you gonna have an EP or an album or?
It's an EP. It's gonna be coming out soon. Yeah, probably 2 months
from
away.
here.
Yeah, from here. Yeah,
I
it's a piano EP.
What if by that time you're taking out 2 months, there's no more piano?
That one.
Now this is a question. What will happen? You're taking it out 2 months, there's no more piano.
I don't think piano will go.
That's what people say about Gom.
No, I know that Gom, but you know what about piano? It's probably South African, and it's a set of music that's like different. You know, it puts you in an expensive kind of vibe, and in a sophisticated kind of like lifestyle. You understand? It's not so clumsy. It's not like these other type of genres that can still be differentiated from the original. You understand?
Nah, I understand. And so, which promoters are you working with now, or which are your favorite promoters right now around here?
Promoters in terms of
and like people who are giving you gigs, like niggas who are making parties and they hook you up with like, dude, I'm making a party, come through. I know where a party is.
Yeah.
Hit up this nigga here. Which niggas are you working with?
A lot of people. I'm actually working with Comfort.
Yeah.
Working with
from Cabal.
No, Comfort from
the DJ.
No, from the studio.
The one who does it, where's the studio, ne?
Comfort from it's called La Fame Records.
Oh yeah.
Also I get gigs from Misophil, Marshall.
Manega.
Yeah, Marshall Cafe.
Oh, Marshall Nations also now.
Yeah. Then usually though I'm at Cabal, and Mikeroni.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything that you want to tell these promoters?
Arali data dzavo dzichidzorera ofera vaka network isiyone rine va AT Affordable Technologies rina thandululo 10 gig ya masiari na 10 gig ya usiku nga 129 randa nga mwedzi asi muloro hezvi kava iwane zvino ngofonera kana vatorumera WhatsApp ka 083-453-0972 ofisini ndi 087-822-1271 kana vatorenga online ka www.affordabletech.co.za arali vachitoda data dzifara cover the AT.
You know, we have to pay for this data that we're using. AT Affordable Technologies, IECAT, you know, they're cheap from 129 for 10 gigs in the afternoon, 10 gigs in the evening. Imagine, get that special for yourself. Né? Is that Affordable Technologies? You'll get the numbers way down here. So guys, we're still discussing what promoters. Are there any promoters fucking up your career, my nigga? Are there any promoters who are not giving you what you want out here? Or do you want to give advice to any promoters there?
Okay. I don't think that there are promoters that are not giving me what I want, because I prefer working with like people that are like paying. It's either they pay upfront or I know that they actually. I'm assured that they're gonna pay. You understand? So otherwise, I don't think I have like promoters that don't pay. Yeah.
I understand. I mean, having the highlights of being a nice DJ, and it's fine, Sense. It's fine, Sense the DJ. So, Sense, tell me here, which events were like the highlights, top 5? Like, which ones were the top highlights? We had 2. I met this guy. This event was yeah. Which ones were the top 5?
Top 5 events that I actually liked, or
that you actually enjoyed, and what you played at you enjoyed, and you also met like a lot of people that you were like, hey, this event is about me. I met Black Coffee, I met Winnie Matic, that Mandela, you know, that kind of events.
Yeah. Actually, it's where I actually like met people was at Fair Play, and I forgot that I was a resident at Fair Play too.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You played,
so, Yeah, I used to. You
played. You played, eh?
Yeah, I used to be a resident, but for only a month because of the money problems. Okay, then I met Mass Music. Yeah. Mass Music. I met like a lot of people from Joburg and Pretoria. Yeah. Then I kind of talked and But at that time I was not actually in any terms of producing music.
And music, no?
Yeah, so
I'm sure now you're gonna make the right decision and do the music, man.
I'm gonna try the.
So you enjoyed Fair Play the most?
Yeah.
I keep on forgetting Fair Play. Fair Play is the one, eh?
Fair Play is good, and which other place that I met? It's Marshall.
Marshall, eh? So which club has the most fucked up sound?
In terms of
sound, which is fucked up, like the sound is fucked. In the way you're playing, this sound is cut. Nah, it's fine. Say it. It's fine.
Okay, it's not actually a club, but
it's where
it's a place. I think it's where Kenya, if I'm not mistaken.
Kenya, the sound is fucked up.
Yeah, Kenya, the sound is messed up. But I think maybe it's because I play later. Then everyone has played.
And the sound is hot.
The sound is hot.
Nah, I understand. So you go to these events, my nigga. Don't you see girls? Aren't you getting girls left and right center? I'm sure you're hitting these girls left, right, and center, my boy. I'm telling you, my boy. Unless if you tell me that you're married.
No, I am with someone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that I promised to actually like marry there and there. Yeah, it's actually a promise ring. Yeah. So I feel like as a DJ, it's better for you to like get someone that you know that
you're committed to this person.
Yeah, you're committed to that person, because if you don't do that, I feel like my dad once told me that a woman would actually stop you from would like save you from a lot of things. You understand? So it's better for you to have at least one person that you're gonna be afraid of, that will prevent you from doing a lot of things. Even if you do it, but at least that person you'll be afraid of a certain person. You understand?
You won't do a lot of shit.
Yeah.
Nah, I understand. I get you.
Yeah.
So my nigga, it was a beautiful day and a beautiful 25 minutes, my nigga. So tell me, my nigga, where can these people get you on the socials? And
on Instagram, Sends the DJ at 1. Sends the DJ, it's one thing. Sends the DJ at 1. Then on Facebook it's Sandile Masina.
Sandile Masina.
Sandile Masina.
Okay. Masina
S-C-N-A, ne? Yeah. Then on WhatsApp it's 0.
Ooh, you wanna give us the WhatsApp? I thought you said you have a girl.
Okay, but WhatsApp is the only. I feel like WhatsApp is the only. It's more convenient. Yeah, no? It's more convenient to actually get me.
No, it's fine. Hit me up with the WhatsApp number.
0661 76 9003.
9003.
Yeah. Okay. Then
what else? No TikTok, no nothing.
No TikTok, no nothing.
Nah, it's cool, my nigga. So thank you so much, my nigga. So before you fight, do you want to say anything to your fans and to other DJs?
To other DJs, I would like to say that no matter what happens, if you're still an upcoming DJ, just push, have that oomph, man, to go to places and show them what you have. Don't fear anything. Don't be discouraged, because to be honest, no one came with a guide in this world. No one knows the right thing to do. So just do what you feel like is right. Then
Nah, it's cool, my nigga.
Sure.
So thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much for praising us here, Sense the DJ. Ne? I'm sure I'm gonna see you more and more at clubs they're playing there. Ne? So for me, next one on my blog, you know where you can get us on Spotify at SABC5, get us on YouTube at SABC5, get us on Twitter on SABC5, get us on Facebook also at SABC5. So guys, this episode is gonna be aired very soon. I'm sure this weekend or the other Friday, but at least it's gonna be a Friday. Let's dance. Bye bye.
Sure.